Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hair toner is probably one of the most versatile and transformative hair products available today, capable of neutralizing unwanted brassy tones, enhancing your current hair color, or even creating bold, fashion-forward shades. Whether you're looking to maintain a cool blonde, deepen a rich brunette, or add a vibrant pop of color, a quality hair toner can be your secret weapon for achieving salon-worthy results right at home. This guide will help you navigate the world of toners, ensuring you pick the perfect one to achieve your dream hair color and keep it looking its best between salon visits. Number 5. Bold Uniq Purple Hair Mask. Are you tired of unwanted yellow tones in your blonde or silver hair? Our purple hair mask is designed to neutralize brassiness and restore your desired shade. Whether your hair is blonde, platinum, bleached, silver, or gray, this toner is perfect for you. It effectively combats yellow tones across a spectrum of light hair colors. Beyond toning, it deeply conditions dry and damaged hair. Experience softer, healthier-looking locks with every use. Our formula is tough on yellow tones but gentle on your hair. It provides vibrant results without causing further damage. Feel good about your hair care choices. This product is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, ensuring ethical beauty. Achieve salon-quality results at home. It revitalizes your hair, leaving it bright, toned, and beautifully conditioned. What we like. This mask offers intense toning to combat yellow tones. It also deeply conditions dry, damaged hair. If you have blonde, platinum, or bleached hair that's feeling dry and brassy, this is a great option for you. It's also ideal for those seeking a vegan and cruelty-free solution. What people say. The toner is very effective in covering gray hair, providing a natural-looking color. It has a pleasant scent and is easy to apply, making the coloring process simple and enjoyable. The formula is gentle on the scalp and doesn't cause irritation, which is great for sensitive skin. Number 4. Purple Conditioner for Blonde, Platinum and Gray Silver Hair. Tired of unwanted yellow tones in your blonde, platinum, or gray hair? Our purple conditioner is specially formulated to neutralize brassiness, leaving your hair looking vibrant and refreshed. If you have bleached or highlighted hair, this toner is your secret weapon. It works to enhance your color, ensuring your highlights pop and your overall shade remains bright and beautiful. Beyond toning, this conditioner deeply moisturizes your strands. It helps to keep your hair feeling soft, hydrated, and looking its best, even after bleaching. We believe in gentle care. That's why our formula is cruelty-free and free from parabens and sulfates, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. Rediscover the true vibrancy of your blonde, platinum, or silver hair. This conditioner helps maintain and enhance your color, keeping it looking salon fresh. Experience the dual benefits of toning and nourishment. It effectively reduces brassy tones while providing essential moisture for healthier-looking hair. What we like. This purple conditioner is designed to reduce brassy yellow tones effectively. Its moisturizing formula helps keep your hair hydrated. If you're looking for a daily conditioner to maintain your blonde, platinum, or silver hair while keeping it soft and free from harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates, this is a solid choice. What people say. This turned all of my hair a silver color and reduced the transition line, and really brightened it up. It toned down the brass really nicely. Some areas more than others, but no worries, as I like to mention. If you are looking for a strong purple hair mask to remove brassy tones from blonde hair quickly, I highly recommend this one. With just one application, I see a noticeable improvement in my brassy tones. Number 3. Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo. Introducing Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo, your solution for vibrant blonde, silver, or gray hair. It effectively removes unwanted yellow tones, leaving your locks refreshed and revitalized. Tired of brassy yellow tones? This powerful formula is designed to neutralize them, restoring the clarity and brightness of your hair color. Beyond color correction, it deeply conditions damaged hair. Experience softer, smoother, and healthier-looking strands with every wash. Specially crafted for those with blonde, silver, or gray hair. It enhances and maintains your desired shade beautifully. We care about your hair and the planet. This shampoo is formulated without parabens or sulfates and is proudly vegan. Enjoy a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. It works to improve hair health without harsh chemicals. What we like. This shampoo is excellent at removing yellow tones from blonde, silver, or gray hair. It's formulated without sulfates and is vegan. If you need a gentle yet effective shampoo to brighten your blonde locks and are conscious about using vegan and sulfate-free products, this is the one to consider. What people say. This turned all of my hair a silver color and reduced the transition line, and really brightened it up. It toned down the brass really nicely. Some areas more than others, but no worries, as I like to mention. If you are looking for a strong purple hair mask to remove brassy tones from blonde hair quickly, I highly recommend this one. With just one application, I see a noticeable improvement in my brassy tones. Number 2. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Discover the revolutionary K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. It's designed to bring your hair back to life. Featuring patented technology, this mask offers lasting repair. It works to restore your hair's natural strength and vitality. Specifically formulated for dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. It transforms your locks, leaving them smooth and manageable. Experience incredible results in just 4 minutes. It effectively reverses damage caused by chemical services and heat styling. Protect your vibrant color while repairing damage. This mask is safe to use on color-treated, bleached, and chemically processed hair. Get salon-quality hair repair in the comfort of your home. Enjoy healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair with every use. What we like. This leave-in mask offers patented molecular repair that works in just 4 minutes. It's designed to reverse damage from various chemical and heat services. If your hair is severely dry, frizzy, or damaged from bleaching, coloring, or heat styling, and you want a quick, effective solution, this product is perfect for you. What people say. My hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to manage. It also helped reduce frizz and made my hair look healthier and more hydrated. A small amount goes a long way, so the bottle lasts longer than you might think. This product actually lives up to the hype. Number 1. Malibu Sea Blonde's Wellness Remedy. Tired of unwanted yellow and orange tones in your blonde hair? This remedy is specially formulated to gently remove discoloration. It's perfect for bleached, highlighted, or natural blonde shades. Rediscover the true vibrancy of your blonde locks. This treatment works to bring back the bright, beautiful color you love. Get ready for a stunning transformation. Dull hair is a thing of the past. This formula enhances your hair's natural luster, leaving it incredibly shiny and healthy looking. Prepare for compliments on your radiant glow. Harnessing the power of a unique vitamin C complex, this remedy revitalizes your hair from root to tip. It's a potent blend designed to restore and protect your blonde. Achieve salon-quality results without harsh chemicals. This gentle formula effectively targets discoloration while being kind to your hair's delicate structure. Enjoy beautiful blonde, effortlessly. Whether your blonde is natural, bleached, or highlighted, this wellness remedy is your secret weapon. It's designed to address the specific needs of all blonde hair types. What we like. This wellness remedy utilizes a vitamin C complex to remove discoloration and restore vibrancy. It's specifically designed for bleached, highlighted, or natural blonde hair. If your blonde hair has lost its shine and is discolored, and you're looking for a way to bring back its natural brilliance and health, this remedy is an excellent choice. What people say. This stuff worked for me. One little packet, to my surprise, did the job. My hair is highlighted and 80% is a level 9.510 blonde. I used one packet on medium-length semi-thick semi-coarse hair and it stripped out all of that ugly toner and set me back to having my bright pale blonde hair. This stuff delivers as promised. For context, I normally have my dark brown roots bleached to a pale blonde every 8 weeks and mistakenly tried a 09 and toner, Café au lait to be exact, to try something different. The toner left a drab brownish gray look to my blonde and it would not budge. I washed my hair 10 different times with lemon juice, Dawn, Head and Shoulders, and clarifying shampoo with moisturizing masks in between. None of it worked. So I ordered a packet of this stuff on a whim, followed the instructions, and my hair looks amazing. It stripped the yucky drab brownish color and left me with a beautiful shade of blonde. I'm a natural blonde and I took a chance and professionally dyed my hair darker, which I regretted after a week. Not wanting to admit this to my hairstylist because she warned me, LOL, I decided to try out these packets. Results are from using a packet every other wash and using K18 in between to preserve my hair health. The color that was used on my hair was semi-permanent, and I would say these packets definitely worked. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.